Hello you guys, welcome to Aurora. Today we would like to show you a very special Aurora factory introduction. Our CEO Bob will lead you a very unique, special visit. So let's welcome Bob.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm the owner and the general manager of AURORA. Today, warmly welcome to us. In order to let you know better about AURORA, today I will show you all around our factory. So our CNC factory, SMT line, our library and our 14 assembly line and all the office department, and we will show you step by step. Welcome.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to our meeting room. So here have the showcase to show our product. It's off-road line, driving line, and the light bar, and all kind of LED headlight bulb. So we have Cooper Beard design, head seat design with the front vision, and the 1+1 vision, and high power vision. We have many kinds of. First, warmly welcome to AURORA. And here is a short introduction about our company. We are a group company. We have 3 factories. One is AURORA. We make LED auto light. And another is GPCom, especially for the audio product. Another Manual Tech is for the Bluetooth and the wireless product. Totally, our group has more than 1,000 people. Today we come to AURORA. We have 350 people and 10,000 square meter factory. Here is AURORA. We are formed in 2011 and professional manufacturer for auto LED light and also LED glow light, off-road light, headlight bubbles. We have a nice reputation in the market. AURORA is an innovation factory. By today, we have more than 120 innovations. And thanks to our innovation, our sales value keep increase almost 50% each year. Especially in the 2020, the coronavirus broken, but we still get 100% growing. Today, we already export more than 19 countries, and we especially make the high quality product more than 6 years. We have more than 120 patents, 100% designed by ourselves. Okay, we can go now to see around our factory one by one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. It's our Star Avenue. We are national high technology company and the Shenzhen top 20 high growing and high technology company. We are Shenzhen best employer company. In Shenzhen, only 20 companies get this, and also Shenzhen top 20. We are Tsinghua University Operation Company and outstanding Pune Agriculture University and SGS Security and ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 and Alibaba Best Company and so on. It's many honor of our company. Now we come to our factory office. Here is the sales assistant and the PMC, a purchasing department, and QC department, and engineering. Welcome to my room. It's my office. When you come to our factory, so you come here to try Chinese tea, share some knowledge about your idea about products. So it's my working place. Welcome. This is the Chinese word, 业精于勤. It means if you work hard, then you can be successful. So it's put here, I need work hard for different project and product. It's our financial department. So we calculate the cost and quotation here, and also for the accounting to control all the cost and the material and the income and outcoming. we have our system for all the cost, the systems. IQC area, when the material is coming, the QC people check the material and then put it into the warehouse. So all this area is waiting for checking. And it's our colleague to check the materials. And here we have a lot of documents to control the standard of each component. Check the powder coating, if good or not. Also, we will take the powder coating, go to do the soft spell testing and UV testing. Here have a WI. Welcome to our before processing production line. We add the glue and the cable with the housing and do the process for the housing and make the cable take off the cover and assembling the connector. It's original Amphino connector. And there is inject machine and laser machine. This the side cover, put the cable inside and a waterproof ring here. Now welcome to our off-road production line.
Yes.
Now we see many dual road, single road make this line. So we can see assembling the PCB board. This is the screw design. We have no screw design, no need the screw.
Yes.
To check every screw one by one to make sure it fits well. And this after finish, we put the rack and go to the agent to testing the water. See this line? And look at this. This is the Cosimo air leak machine from Japan. It's the best air leak machine. We check each light bar, no air leak. So it should be waterproof very well.
Okay.
And come here, we put the light and the water and we put the air inside. It's 100% no water, no moisture inside the air. So to check if any bubble, to make sure every light is waterproof. So here is the production C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and C6 with their assembly line, and also this area is assembly line. This way, please.
Yeah, let's see this line and what they are doing now. Let's check. This is the production line mainly for the work light, and this light is the biggest sales one, I think, because it can use for the Jeep, for the motorcycle, for the ATV, UTV, every application we can use this work light. And this very hardworking and very serious man is just very focused on his work, and he's checking the PCB. And this handsome guys also do the reflector installation, and every light is well equipped and work the put in the production flow chart. And here is to check these LEDs brightness is okay, and every LED is work well. And we also test its voltage, its current, and by visual checking to check every LED is in good performance.
Also, you can see at the inject machine, we make the connectors. So we have two injections. One inside is hard material to fix the cable. Another is a soft material in the surface to make waterproof. So you can pull the cable, it will not come out.
Yes,
so,
plug and play.
This is original Amphino and Dodge connectors.
Yes.
This is the agent room. Welcome. Yes. So after assembling, we will make agent testing for each bar in this house. So after test the air link machine, and we put in the water, and then we also do check some light, put the water in here and take out and do the agent testing. to see any problem, any moisture inside. So you see all the light, we will do the testing here, you see. It's a package production line, so we check every light one by one. We check the voltage, we check if any's looking problem, and we write down every part number to, if any problem happen, we can know when and who make this light. Every one we will check the cable and the light together to make sure them working well. It's our raw material warehouse. We make all the tooling by ourselves, so we have a lot of components in the warehouse. This is original Amphino connector. So we used a lot of Amphino product. This is a warehouse for PCB board. So it should keep low temperature and also humidity same in the suitable range. Here is the aluminum housing. And it's our no-screw design, a lot of them is no-screw design, and also involve light.
This is our CNC leader. The machine we use is recognized as a king model. We use it to cut the half-finished products to get the needed shape, similar like sharpening a pencil. This is our robot arm. It can automatically grabbing and refilling materials, so can well replacing manual labor to improve production efficiency.
This is CNC machine. It's Japanese product. OIM Plus is one of the new systems in the market. So it's high speed and high accuracy. Cut the material from the long bar to 1 meter. In this industry park, have 12 floors belong to Aurora. So in that building we have 2 floors. This building 3 floors. Another building have 2 floors. That's there 1 floor. Here have another 3 floors. So we show you around. Go ahead. Hello.
Hi, Bob.
Iceman. How are you doing?
Yeah, very good.
Where you go?
Ready to do some testing.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Today.
Okay, see you soon.
It's our testing car for off-road. Then go to the testing. We use the car to do the testing for all our lights. Or we come to another workshop. Come on. This is SMT library in this area. So, come in. In our library, we can test about 50 items. So here have the standard, how to testing, and use which equipment. So in our, have so many testing in our library, in all this area. This is the pull testing, to test the cable and the connector. And the hard testing, scratch testing, and paper loop proof testing, UV testing. So it's put inside, it's like 5 years or 10 years California sunshine. It changes color or not. This is the high temperature testing. And this is regular temperature testing for a long time. For 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, we put the light here to see if any problem happens. This is the vibration testing. It's vibration test. It's like the car make the vibration. to see the bracket if broken or the screw well lost. It's dropping ball testing. It's humidity and high-low temperature testing equipment. It can be minus 40 degrees to 150 degrees. So it can test if the working well in the very cold season and very hot area. This one is big one. So this one can test in the 50-inch light bar can put inside to testing. Also from minus 40 degrees to 150 degrees. And this is the high temperature testing equipment. It can be 300 degrees. This one is a lighting system. It can test the lumen and the color temperatures and even the how many percent RGB inside. So they can test it here. It's this equipment. And here is many kind of lamp. So when we design the LED light bubbles, we will testing in the lamp it fits well, and also we will compare our LED bubble together with the halogen bulb, how the beam patterns is good or not. So we have many kind of lamp to do the testing. It's noisy testing equipment to test the noise of the fan. So make sure the LED light bulb not with too much noisy when it works. So all the metal material we put here, it's will corrosion or not. So we check the powder coating is good or not, and then we put it here. Use the salt water to spare to 100 hours, 200 hours with testing. And this way, please. Here is our dark room. The dark room, you see when you come inside, it's very dark. Come in. So this equipment is an automotive signal testing equipment. So it can take R112 or R148, 149, and many kind of different testing. We can turn on the light and show you. So this is the dark room. We put the light here. We take many different points, and then we will have the HV patterns. And our engineer can show you the testing without here. You see? Hi! We changed the clothes! We come to the SMT line. It's Japanese juking machine. RS1R is one of the best juking new equipment. So this group, every hour it can produce 200,000 points. This is automatic loading ball. It's a fridge. We keep the solar pad in here. You see, we use the good quality Alpha. It's the best solar pad here. Automatic chin brush machine. The PCB coming. This is the calorifer oven. It's up and down 10 joule. So this one because the off-road light bar or head bulb, it's aluminum PCB or copper PCB, they need much more heat. So we buy the Hella one from the United States. This one, our computer can buy 10 local brands. This is AOI online. So for both lines, they can check any component wrong, mix or something instead of your visual checking. If anything wrong, then it will select out. And this is the automatic loading machine. So finish it automatic loading. It's AOI to check any component mixed or any component wrong. So it's instead of your eyes. It's X-ray to check the void rate of the solar pad, solar quality is good or not. So we can see from here the void rate. You see here any bubble inside. Normally we control less than 10%. It's cardboard machine to separate the PCB board. This area is some equipment to testing. After we assembling, the PCB is working fine or not. So we make some jig to do the testing. And this room is a whole, it's like equipment. It's keep same humidity and the temperature in the same level. So keep the key important components inside. This is electronic warehouse. So it keep low temperatures. So components. So some expensive material we look here, and here we must control the temperatures and the humidity here. And every day we will write down the recorder. It's our raw material for LED headlight bulb. So this area is raw material, and when the material is coming, we have the QC tool to check the quality. So we check the incoming material. We have the standard for different material, and you see even the cable and every details we will control with the control stamp. So every material come here, we will need to check and then put in. Here is we call master sample case. So when we have the material, we set up and we put here. So then we can check our production with the master samples. Okay, come on. Now we come to the LED headbulb production line. Let me see. Come here. This area we do some prepare job. The housing, we use the laser machine to put the logo. The laser machine, two laser machine, and the inject machine. And the inject machine, we put the connector to the light or the driver box to inject machine. The phyto machine press the housing and assembling the PCB and the housing together. And this area is put some rack, and also to welding the metal welding machine. And we come to the production line T1, T2, and this way place. Here is soldering the PCB to the cable, and every station they have the training, the work license. Here have a WI to show how to working it properly. And here is a recorder for the temperature testing. Every shift we will check the temperature. It's around 250 around. And every station we have the bracket protect the PCB, not hand to hold them, so we can make sure the quality very well. We check the light if the LED is working properly, and also we will see the currency. This is our patent 1+1 design. We put a heat conduction glue to cover the component and insert housing. So make sure the PCB, the heat can transfer to the housing. This put the fan with the screw in, the visual testing to check any pollution in the light or the PCB board, and check and clean the surface. You see the production line. Every hour we can produce 500 pieces to 600 pieces. It depends model. The single mode and dual beam is different. Now we go to another LED headlight bulb workshop. This way, please. It's also produced the 1+1 patent headlight. Soldering the PCB testing is same. Add the screw and testing and clean, same as the last workshop. Come to this aging room. So we do the aging testing here. So every light we will do the aging testing 4 hours. It will be 10 on 45 minutes and 10 off 15 minutes and then cycle. So all this is the aging testing. So this is the equipment. We can enlarge the LED chips and measure the size. We can enlarge it to 500 bigger and measure the size. So to make sure everything is properly, and we also can see if any scratch on the LED in the surface. Okay. Here is our QRCI. So to control the main problem, if we produce 1,000, have 1 piece problem, we yellow warning. If 2 pieces, it's orange. 3 pieces, it's red color. If 1 piece is the team leader of the production line, they will come here. If the 2 pieces, the production manager of this workshop, then should come here. If have 3 pieces, the general manager should come here to see what problem. Also, we have a software, and our QRCI it will show online, so we can check in our phone what problem and who solved this problem, so we can know it's our production line is running very well. This we are packing up the LED headlamp bulb. This is we check 2 voltage. One is the 14.2, another is 28. So it's automatic to jump. And we also to check the LED. Also, all lamps they have the WI to show each step how to working properly. To see the film. So the package we will cover the film. They have many quality documents to check our standards. You see the different customers. We have different documents to control what is right and what is wrong. So we have the many different documents to control the quality. And this area is ready to ship. The finished LED grow light production line. Welcome. Make the plan grow light and the testing and the final check. And here is the packing up. We see the LED is working properly or not. And clean the PCB board and pack up and add the small component and controllers inside and the cable harness inside. It's LED grow light test equipment, so it can test the light spectrum, and we can check the wavelength of red, blue, different lights. So this is our test report. We test here. We can see the PPE, PPF from here, and also we can open and see the light. This is the 2-meter ball. It's very large. We can sleep inside. So you see the glow light. It's our samples making room. Come in, please. We make the samples here, do the testing in our R&D department, make the PCB board, check the light. It's a new bar. It's our R&D department. So all this area is engineer. It's construction engineer design the driving of construction. They design some new light bar. It's molding from short side to long side. It's package engineer, electronic engineer, drive the PCB board, project manager for the different project. It's our engineer team. Hi, to say hi, welcome to AURORA. Welcome.